Hi guys, welcome to this short video about what could be the problem if you are charging something using USB. Doesn't matter if it's USB-C, micro USB, lightning, whatsoever, and the charge is really slow. So you think you have actually good equipment. I mean, this is a almost brand new power bank. This is a new power bank. It should be possible to charge with more than 0.2 amps. I mean, with 0.2 amps, it will take forever to charge this here. I mean, this is a little bit a special situation. So usually you are not charging one power bank with the other power bank because it's just a loss in between, but it doesn't matter. So actually it's a normal situation. You can charge a power bank with another power bank. You should be able to do that pretty fast, like with a phone, or like you would charge a phone. No difference with that, but with 0.2 amps it really will take a couple of days. I mean, when we are talking about maybe 10,000 milliampere hours with 0.2 amps, it would take more than 2 days to fill the whole thing up, fill the power bank again. So that's impossible. I mean, we have to change something definitely. So what's the problem here? Do we have a defect on this power bank, or do we have a defect on this power bank, or what is the problem here? So I have a pretty short cable. Actually, that shouldn't be a problem. With cables there can be two things. Either it's too long, so when the cable is really long, you are wasting some of the power, because the longer cable is, the more resistance it has. But it is not only a matter of the length of the cable, it's also a matter of the diameter of the cable. I'm not talking about the plastic outside, even though if the plastic is that thick, it's only a matter how thick the cable, I mean the wire, the metal wire inside is, and it's measured in gauge. And yeah, a lot of manufacturers of USB cables are using cheap cables like a 28 gauge or something like that, and that's probably also a thing here. That's okay for really small devices, but if you want to charge something bigger, it's just not suitable. And I'm going to show you that here I have a cable with a similar length, but it's much better. I'm going to replace it now here. So I leave everything exactly the same. So I'm just plugging in this thing here, and this is upside down. So let's see. So I have to restart here again. So let's see how it looks with this cable. So quite a difference. I mean, it's not perfect. I think this should be able to deliver more than 1 amp, but I'm not 100% sure. But at least we are close to 1 amp. I left it a couple of minutes ago with this setup, and it came up to 1 amp. Now it's a little bit lower, but you can see it's still quite a difference compared to before. So usually it's between 0.7 and 0.8 amps, which is almost 4 times the speed. So you have to be careful when you're using or buying new cables. And sometimes you would think, yeah, okay, the device is damaged. Maybe your phone is charging really slowly, and you think, yeah, okay, your phone is damaged or charger is damaged. Yeah, of course, could be, but there's also a high likelihood that you are just not using the right cables. So I'm highly recommending, whenever you buy new USB cables, make sure that you buy a really good one. So sometimes you can search for the numbers of gauge, but it's really difficult. Usually you are more successful when you are looking for just something saying like fast charge or quick charge. I've prepared a search on Amazon, and I will put down the link to this search on Amazon into the description, so you can use it and check the cables out and order some if you need them. And I hope I was able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.